Stellantis is gradually discontinuing the use of Hemi V8 small block engines as part of their initiative to decrease emissions throughout North America. As part of the phase-out plan, Stellantis will remove the Hemi V8 from light-duty Ram pickup trucks and conclude production of the TRX by the end of 2023. Stellantis is currently working on a new high-performance truck that is undergoing testing in spy photos. Ram RHO is the name given to the new high-performance truck, currently undergoing testing in spy photos. The Ram RHO prototype shares some similarities with the previous Ram TRX, featuring flared wheel arches, a muscular hood, and robust running gear. The wide-body treatment results in a tall and impressive stance, boasts impressive ground clearance, and rugged off-road wheels and tires. The upcoming Ram 1500 RHO is set to make its grand entrance in the third quarter of calendar year 2024. Take a look at the captivating renderings of the Ram RHO, which have been crafted based on intriguing spy photos. Anticipations are high for the Ram RHO, as it is rumored to be equipped with the powerful Hurricane engine. This twin-turbocharged inline 6-cylinder engine is expected to deliver an impressive 540 horsepower. Thank you for joining, and remember to subscribe.